very similar position here with my mate Dan yawning his brains out over there. Anyway, we are on the road. We have just passed Warrimal Station. We parked up overnight, Billabong. We're on the way to Coral Bay. That's where we're heading to Coral Bay. We've got the boat strapped to the back, and we're going to be living on the ocean for about 4 or 5 days, give or take, mate. What do you reckon?
Give or take 3 meters of swell.
Give or take. The swell's supposed to be pretty big. Dan's not super keen on that idea. Not great for fishing, but if there's some waves, I'm not too unhappy about that. I need to catch something. I'm pretty useless at fishing. Whenever I go, I always catch little tiddlers, and it's not much fun. But anyway, guys, let's get the party started. We are on the road, almost at Carnarvon. Well, not almost, about a couple of hours out of Carnarvon, but
we're almost nowhere.
Let's get a coffee and try and wake up, because we are still asleep. Woo! About being on the end of the electric reel. Yeah, no, I won't fight for it. I'll work my way into the electric reel. I'll have to prove myself first.
That's it. You gotta be initiated. 300 meter pull.
An absolute stoinker from the depths, and then you can have a crack at the electric reel, so you don't have to work so hard.
Smash a couple of tips.
Jam in here. Just a quick little rest stop. Gonna get some food into us, recharge. Alright, well, seeing as we're here, I've never been down here before. Might as well go have a look at the edge of the Gascoyne River. Flooded earlier this year, the town actually. It's pretty interesting. All the different flood levels. 65, 98, 68, 96, 63, 90, all the way up to 7 meters in 1995. My lord. 2000. Woo. Can you imagine the water being that level? Look where it is now. It's just here, but at that time of year, all the way up there. That is ridiculous. Almost looks inviting enough for a swim here. Whoa. Let's keep on rolling and on the road. I don't even know how you say this place's name. How do you say it? Manilia. The Manilia Roadhouse. Oh, I can't feel my legs. Oh, man. Stretch it out, boy. Stretch. I will improve my language. One for the road. Don't mind if I do. If you don't pay, you can't poo.
Cold brew coffee.
Just in the little food store down here. Got a few goodies. The turn off to Coral Bay. Yoo-hoo! We made it. That's lunch. Alright guys, we just got out of Coral Bay. We're gonna go up to Bill's, get some lunch, and we'll put the big girl in. You man,
Cheers to that.
Cheers, bro.
Oh yeah.
The drive was a bit long for the old boy.
Big Rory for his second of the term and third of the match. He just spread Collingwood text to the match. And in the end,
After Dan's little nap at the pub, where
Feel like $1 million.
oh god, oh my lord.
Yeah.
Dan's trying to roll an ankle before he gets on the boat. You're gonna need them on the boat, mate. Let's go. I'm running. Yeah, wait for a bit. And we're off. We're on the water. Let's do this. How clear is this water? Oh, you become a fish bait.
Yeah, that's about as shallow as it gets.
Yeah, what was it like?
One. Mate, it's like knee deep.
Just this one tiny little like slither of reef to get through.
Just gonna go from there. All the way up. All the way up.
Keep going.
In there. That's where we're going.
There we go. Norwegian bait. We barely hit the water and we're bloody up. Let's catch some mackies. Or whatever we catch. Let's just catch something. This is camp for tonight. Right here, right on the bloody water. Crystal blue water. Should ask them if I can borrow their jet ski on the roof of that thing. Be like, hey boys, do you mind if we take it for a burn?
Just want to go for a little snippy up.
How good is this? Unbelievable spot.
I said, how many more?
I said, go hard, son. I was like, go as hard as you want.
You said, go as hard as you want.
True. And I should have said, go as
More.
hard as I want. So more. More, please, sir. More. Anyway,
Anyway, mate, for sure.
as always tomorrow, mate. Steak tonight.
Pretty good. Yeah, I'm kind of relieved I don't have to fill it a fish.
So this was last night's sleeping situation. Now we camped out on the back of a boat. This is what it looks like. This is also my first time camping on the back of a boat. The old stretcher bed reminds me of a World War II military hospital. Couple of blokes just
Souls.
yeah, couple of wounded blokes just lined up. Scrambled eggs. Dan's special. Do the morning Mackie trawl around Black Rock.
Black Rock's gotta produce something, surely.
Yeah, mate. I'm sure we're gonna get some. We need food. We're running out. Not really. We bought plenty of backup food, but do a catch and cook for you. Cook some fish up later this evening. Anyway, let's get stuck into breakfast. First catch of the morning. Not a bad little squid there. Fully inked up the esky.
No, has he?
Yeah, oh yeah, he's gone hard, mate. Next one. Alright, we've got one squid for bait a bit later. But now it's time for the mackies. Let's get going. Let's go chase the bigger fish. Look at this morning. Glorious. Sun's about to pop up. perfect time. Around there. Oh, he just had a little nip on the rope. Yeah. Yeah, what's this? Oh. Oh, there he goes. He's given up now. He's realised that his pursuit of the lures was fruitless and he's going to chase a real fish.
That took about 5 seconds. Back here is another Trevi. Straight on that button. Autopilot off.
Oh, it's got some colour.
Oh yeah. Another big trevally. Trevally. It's the same fish.
Trevally hunter, guys. We're out here for Mackies and Mac. Trevallies.
Oh.
Oh! Oh.
He's just straight up his
He had another fish with him.
We'll hang on to that one for bait.
There you go. Bit of a trevally for you. We've got to chuck him back though. Not what we're after. We've already got one. Chuck him back. Yes, he's off this time. God.
I didn't even get to the mother rod.
Oh, we're gonna keep hunting, guys. We're getting closer. At least we're getting them on now. Oh, he's on! He's on!
Oh, it's off!
Oh no! Ah!
Keep driving.
Put the choke back in. Ah, we were on, and then we're off. Oh, seagull's back. Cheeky bugger. Anyway, hopefully we're back on in just a second. Oh, he's on again! Oh, he's up again! Oh my God! What is going on here? Oh, he's on again! He's up! It's running to my eye. Oh. We did downgrade the lure size. It's a small one.
Oh, no.
Ah,
What's going on?
on a trevally again. Oh, look at those gills. Ah. wheels going on. Little does he know, it's just the big fish himself having a little sip of Coke, no sugar. Oh, oh. Alright, live. Oh my god. Oh god, I'm gonna switch hands. I'm such a lefty. Oh fuck me, I can't come here. Yeah. I'll do it. Going down. Yeah boy. No, yeah boy. Here we go. On the marlin. On the marlin.
Just having, not drinking, not saying much,
Oh no.
just trying to hold our shit together. I was mostly out the back.
On the marlin one.
Yeah.
Keep moving on our way up to Norwegian Bay. We're getting close to the entrance and we're just in here somewhere, so not far off now. Turtle Club.